Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Tuesday, October 28th. In the NASDAQ market, we were looking for unchanged to higher, a little bit of follow through. It'll struggle, as we can see here on Monday. The market was a little softer earlier in the session, firmed up at the end. Every day this week, I think we have a reason for this market to move, and I'm looking for a movement to the upside for today's action. If you look at the currencies, the dollar has gotten a little weaker, but we're not out of the woods yet for these currencies. They have major roads to cross before we can really say that we're seeing a change in behavior in these currencies. The euro, I am looking for unchanged to higher. We need to be careful about the next 50 pips. When it comes to the interest rate markets, I am bearish on them, as I continue to be, but here we are stopping to take a breath. I think we need to be cautious on the short side. I'm neutral to lower for interest rates. If we take a look at metals, well, it's gotten low enough to give us a bounce when it comes to gold, but are we looking for dramatic follow through to the upside? I don't see it here fundamentally. Looking for a sideways move in that market. I feel the same way about crude oil. I am not bullish that market. We don't have the reasons to sustain a trend to the upside. However, they are buying to break below 80. And I would expect that to continue longer term. Still looking for weaker prices. I'm looking for unchanged to lower in today's action. The grains, well, the soybeans did trade below this bearish level. The difference between the bullish and bearish level in that market is $900 per contract. And again, that's just a reference to give you a feel of that magnitude of change. Right now, I am not looking for a dramatic move to the upside. I don't think this is sustainable. Today, we need to see a rest day, I believe, in the soybean market. Now, some people are going to ask me about this, but here it went below that bearish level, which took out a long position if someone had that on. And yet the market moved quite a bit beyond that, didn't it? Well, my feeling on something like that is you want to stick to your strategy. If it's taking that out, that's fine. Are every one of your trades, are you going to max out? No, that isn't really the purpose. Consistency is the purpose. If this market would have moved down that same amount that it went up, we would say, wow, I'm really happy we have a stop here. So, no, I don't feel that way at all. The real important point from my point of view is that we follow our strategy and we are consistent. Well, wheat also traded below that bearish level. The difference between the bearish and bullish level in that market is $350 per contract, just to give you an idea of that magnitude of change. And there I'm looking for a sideways market. That concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me. Look forward to being with you again, and as always, take care.